If there's one thing that inspires me, it's nature. But times are changing, and it's getting harder and harder to be surrounded by nothing else but the beauty of the nature. Still, there are places that whisper to themselves. And if we're willing to listen, they're still out there waiting for us. We are still able to go on these adventures if we want to. And therefore, let me show you a special place. A place with some of the most incredible landscapes we have ever seen. The journey wasn't just about reaching a peak. It was about leaving behind the world and stepping into a space where time slows down. Standing at the gateway to the wild, I felt the weight of my ambitions. It wasn't just climbed, it's earned. We came here to feel the stories it had to share. We came here to feel the cold, the rainy conditions, and hike for miles. Hell, we had to hike 14 kilometers.
ඇහෙනවද ඔයගලන්ට කැලේ සද්ද?
We came here to get lost and find our way back, step in puddles, trudge through bushes, climb over rocks. We came here to drink creek water. It wasn't about conquering the mountain. It was about letting it teach me. The silence speaks louder than words, and in that stillness, I found a part of myself that I didn't know was missing. It didn't just offer a view, it offered clarity, a reminder of how small we are, yet how vast our capacity to dream. Because when we finally reach the summit and clouds finally part, all of the sweat you endure to get there, that's what makes the view so breathtaking. These places are still there, waiting for us. But for how long? We can still find them, explore them. Let's not wait until it's too late. What are you waiting for?